to UB40 here again, and in this video we're going to try to replace the radiator off of a 2008 Toyota Matrix. So I got a few of my tools here. First I want to do is try to drain the radiator, and so what I want to do is try to remove that plastic cover first and then drain the radiator from there, maybe from the peacock. And do you guys see it there? Where is it? Where's the video? Where is it? Down there. You guys see it? This one. So the coolant should drain out from there. I'm gonna remove this hose, loosen up this hose, the electrical harness from the radiator fan. There's a 10mm bolt there. Let's see, is there another one down there? I don't think so. I don't see it. Or I don't see it. I'm gonna remove these 10mm bolts. There's another one there. Remove the reservoir hose, the transmission fluid hoses. There's one there and there's one at the bottom, and there's the other radiator hose. And for this car, it's leaking from there, okay, from right here. So let me loosen up the basics and I'll come back in a minute. Alright, so this is how you lose this plastic cover. There's some this one had a screw there, right there, see? There's one there and there's one here. So let's see if I can take this one off by using this fancy tool right here. See, let's see. Put it there. Put it in there. Come on. Almost. Let's try from here. It's coming out. It's coming out. And it's out. Oh, and it's out. I'll find it somehow. Alright, the old radiator is out, and time to compare it. Now you gotta remove the fan and transfer it to the new one. So let's see. Don't forget to put these back on. Those are the radiator mounts. They go here. Okay. Alright. And if you have a automatic transmission, don't forget to install these here. One here and one down here. That's where the transmission fluid goes through. And the radiator is installed and it's a perfect fit. No leaks. I just have to put the covers from the bottom, and I just had to replace the transmission hoses, fluid hoses, because the original ones were too small for that fitting there. So looks good. Thanks for watching.